Hey there, my friend and fellow traders. Will here over at FXAce.com. First of all, welcome to the video, 13th of March 2019. So today's video, my friend, as you can see with the title, is Do I Really Make Money Trading Forex? And in this video, I'm going to show you that I do make money, as you can see on the screen here, my account details. And I'm going to show you that my students actually make money too. Okay, along with people who are following me on MAM accounts. Okay, so this is the stats here over at Signal Start. Okay, I'm not, by the way, I don't do Signal services. I only do managed accounts. This is just so I can get my stats up. And you can see 70%. This drawdown kind of happened at the start on a small account, and you can see over the past year, roughly around £26,000. Okay, which translates into around 30 I think 35,000 US dollars. So over the past year, my own account have managed to say around $35,000, and for using the UK, around £26,000. And that's all while sitting on my laptop, traveling the world, and never to mind my profits from my managed account service. Okay, so that's solely my own account. Okay, so just going to show you the actual account now, and you can see that it is live and it is in my name, William Arthur Robert Simpson. Okay, so it is my live account, you can see, and I'm just going to show you the account history here. Okay, we'll do a quick thing. Okay, so we're just going to go, this is my account history, and we're just going to go custom period, and we're just going to cancel. We're just going to go all history. Okay, basically what I'm going to do is simply do a save detail report. I'll just say yes and yes. Okay, by the way, no one else does this. No one else that is out there that I can see shows you their live results, what they actually make trading. They all post screenshots. This is a detailed process into my account, and you can see a lot of trades. Okay, we'll just scroll right down to the bottom. Okay, so deposit around 28,000. Deposited, close P&L 26, more or less up 100%. Okay, on the account, you can see down here that maximal drawdown is 15%. Okay, so this account maximal drawdown is 15%. Okay, relative drawdown same 15%. Okay, this is my account. It's the exact same as you seen a minute ago. And okay, around 90% win rate. And so you can see that I do make money. This is my own account. The past year, £26,000, not bad. Traveling the world on my own account, starting off with £28,000 in the account to more or less double my account in a year. So next we're going to look at some of my students. So some of the guys who are actually using my MacBot system, some of the guys that I coach. I'm going to actually show you their actual trading accounts now. Okay, so just go over to my FX book. See we're logged in. First off is this guy. Okay, he's been trading for a long time, trading the MacBot system, and you can see he's up around near 30%, and you can see a nice steady up and down. Okay, see, let's just look at his results. Okay, you can see from when he started, and there's some big months here, but getting consistency. And this is all from trading the MacBot system. Okay, these are my guys. You can actually, if you be able to find their links, you'll be able to see that I'm getting coached by me. It's another guy. He's up around 125% trading the MacBot system. Going through my coaching, obviously, and you can see very consistent results. So it is. Huge month this month so far. 21.2%. Okay, so going well. This is Julian's account. We'll also see Paul. This is another guy. Let's see, he's only started with me. He's in the second month. First month was 4%. This month going well already. And See the equity curve starting off, but max drawdown 2%, monthly 5%, going nice and steady up around 6% so far. So good. So these guys trade the MacBot system. They trade the way I trade, the way I coach them. And this is this is the second Mammoth just opened up. You can see it's up around 13%. Right, this is one that started in January. It's a new one, and I've still got the other one. But this is a new one for private clients, and you can see we're up around 12% so far, 13%. Okay, 13% since January. Okay, and these other ones are demos. This is the RSI Superpot. It was the demo, and you can see it's just demoing away, and we're up around 43, 44% net already. Sorry, but it's just a demo. But again, I've gone through my own account, I've gone through my students' account. We all make money. And as you can see below, I want to offer you today the chance to learn how to make these kind of returns too. And that is by accessing the MacBot system. So the MacBot system, I'm offering you half price. Usually retails for $1,500. I'm offering you half price with a month's worth of coaching, which hopefully by the end of it, if you follow the way I trade it, the way I say, you will be able to start getting consistent results like me and my clients. So to access this special offer, you can click the link below in the description. And if you have any questions, get in contact with me at will@thefxace.com or add me on Skype at william.simpson20. You can obviously see I make money. No one else does this. And I've shown you inside my live account, inside my students' accounts. So the ball's in your court. You want to learn how to trade Forex correctly, properly, and profitably? Click the link below and access the MacBot system at this very, very special and limited offer. So hope to see you on the inside, and I'll speak to you soon. Well over to fxace.com.